What's up, Visitors? It's week 17 of project year, so that's 17 weeks solid without any sort of trim, apart from a bit on the cheeks and one trim under the neckline. And today we're going to talk about 3 things you need to do or achieve to have a good year or just a good beard growing experience. So tip number 1 for growing out your beard during a year or just in general is that you need to have a good deal of patience. As with anything these days, people want things to happen instantly. They want it overnight, and I see a bunch of people writing on Facebook groups or even in the comments that they've only been growing the beard for a few weeks and it's patchy, and whether they should trim it or shave it off and start again and hope that for some reason next time around it's going to grow in a lot thicker, which tends to just happen naturally as you get a bit older and the beard seems to grow a lot better. But that's not the answer. The answer is just to leave it, be patient, let it grow, and obviously it's going to grow. It's not rocket science, and you're going to have a longer beard. Don't trim it because it's going to make it shorter. It baffles me. I see a lot of people saying, oh guys, I'm trying to grow the beard out, but I've trimmed it 10 times in the last 10 weeks. Like, it's never going to grow out then, is it? So be patient, and that kind of forms the next point, which is obviously don't trim the beard. A lot of people start to try and shape the beard. They start taking hair off underneath, on the neckline, on the mustache, before the hair has even had a chance to sort of grow and develop its own shape. Like, my beard's crazy in that it will grow outwards, like a massive wide beard, and I'm just leaving it. I mean, I could easily trim it down the sides, but instantly I'm going to have that really straight sort of beard look, and I'm not going for that. So the more you trim the beard, the shorter it gets. And if you put in like really sharp lines, maybe on the cheeks, on the neck, on the sides of the beard, on the mustache, maybe one of them looks alright. But if you keep doing those sort of things, the beard's going to end up looking a little bit weird, a little bit symmetrical in places and a little bit rugged and wild in other places, and the overall look can be a little bit odd. So if you're trying to grow the beard out, just don't trim. It's so simple. And my final tip is to have a decent beard care routine. And you don't necessarily have to have products. I mean, beards get tangled, so make sure you've got a decent comb so you can brush the beard out. I personally like to have a good beard wash or a solid beard bar, and that's just like a solid shampoo or soap, whatever you want to call it, and work that into the beard. So I like to make sure that I've got a decent beard oil as well, a beard balm, butter, and a mustache wax. And it's pretty much that simple, and I don't use every single one of those products all in one go. I typically use a beard oil and balm, and I might put a little bit of wax on.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off.
But mostly I tend to go with like a softer sort of balm or a beard butter, and then apply some mustache wax. And that's my preferred way in which I condition the beard, moisturize the skin and the hair, and then style it a little bit. So guys, that's it for me today. I just wanted to do a little short video on my 3 key takeaways from growing out this beard so far. Those 3 things have allowed me to grow a fairly solid beard within 17 weeks, and I'm pretty happy with that. We're just about to hit month number 4, and I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.